Hello viewers, welcome back to Global Cuisine. Today I have a special recipe for the beef lovers. When it comes to beef, the people who eat beef, they always prefer once in a while to eat a beef shortribs. So I am going to cook today beef shortribs, a simple and easy method. Sou vide. Sous vide is a French word. It's a cooking taking a place with vacuum sealing. So let's see how simply you can prepare this dish. This is a beef short rib. It's almost 400 gram, and it's a commercial quality. It's not bad. It's not that much excellent quality, but it is good. But while cooking this one in a sous vide method, that will give you a great result. To prepare this sous vide short ribs, I have to marinate the beef. For that I have some rosemary, salt, nutmeg powder and crushed black pepper. What is the process? We will use this vacuum bag. We will marinate the beef short ribs with these spices and herb, and we will keep inside this plastic bag, and we will do a vacuum sealing. What is the best result you get through this cooking method? Your beef, it will cook from one side to another side in a slow heat, and the result, the beef will moist, juicy and tender. Once you cook this one, you take it out, and the surfaces, the top side, you have to seal it in a well heated hot plate or a frying pan. It will be crispy from outside and it will be very tender from inside. You can the process of sous vide, it will take little longer, so it's a type of slow cooking, so you will get a best result out of it. The best way to get best result, that you cook this beef vacuum sealed for 60 degrees Celsius for minimum 72 hours. Now in home cooking it is little bit difficult, so what I will do, I will vacuum seal it, but I will increase the temperature and reduce the cooking time. That means I will cook 100 degrees Celsius for 12 hours. You will see the process with a detailed video, so you can do at your home very easily. To marinate this one, I will add little bit of salt to all the sides, some nutmeg powder. The seasoning is up to you. I always prefer nutmeg powder and crushed fresh black pepper, and we keep small rosemary. We will put this short ribs in a vacuum bag, and we'll do the vacuum. If you don't have a vacuum machine, it's fine, but you can use the ready to use vacuum bag. It's available in the market. So I have the vacuum machine ready. We will vacuum it. So you see there is no air and it is sealed very properly. Now we will cook this one in a slow fire for 12 hours, and let's see that process. Now we have the water. We will put the beef inside the water. We will leave it, and this will cook in slow heat for 12 hours. To accompany this beef short ribs, I will prepare some grilled vegetable as a side dish. For that I have sliced yellow zucchini, sliced green zucchini and baby bell pepper red. So we will add salt, little bit of black pepper, and little bit of nutmeg powder, and some olive oil. And we will marinate, mix, apply to the vegetable the marination, and you can add some herbs if you want. We'll do the skewering. I will first add 2 pieces of bell pepper and followed by the yellow zucchini, then 2 pieces of green zucchini, again yellow 2, green 2, and at the end the remaining 2 pieces of red bell pepper. By this way, assembling this one, the zucchini will be holded by the 2 pieces of red bell peppers in the here and this part. The charcoal is not yet ready. Now I give you a small tips. Once, if your charcoal taking time to get ready, what you need to do, you need to take a tin, cut both sides and keep it on the top. This will work as an exhaust and will burn the charcoal very fast, and it will be ready to use within few minutes. So from this charcoal grill, we will grill the vegetables to accompany with the short ribs. Usually the short ribs that will take 12 hours to get ready. So by this time I have already pre-cooked short ribs ready. Now I will do the sealing of that and plating. I have a dehydrated garlic that also I will serve with this beef short ribs. The simple method of preparing this one, what you need to do, you take a garlic, wash it and keep it in a warm place for 4 to 5 days. What will happen? The moisture content in the garlic will disappear slowly and it will be like a crispy dried garlic. That's actually very good to go with the beef short ribs. In supermarkets it's available as spiked black garlic. It's not a breed of black garlic, it's a normal garlic that they keep it in a certain temperature until it get dried and change the color. So you will see. See this? This is the color. So this we will serve it with the short ribs. Charcoal is ready. As I told you, if you use a container, the tin it will open from both sides, and if you keep it on the top of the fire, it will get ready as fast. Now we will keep the vegetable for grilling. By the time I have a naturally made cranberry infused barbecue sauce that's actually prepared from the juice that got while cooking the beef short ribs, added little bit of fresh cranberry and cook together, add little bit of ready-made barbecue sauce inside and reduce it. It was ready, the sauce, so we will serve this sauce to accompany the beef short ribs. Nicely grilled vegetable is getting ready. The vegetable is grilled perfectly from one side. The sauce is getting ready. To this sauce, we will add the dehydrated black garlic, as you see how the beef, this is a pre-cooked beef short ribs in sous vide. This is how does it look. You can see the texture of the meat. Now we will do the searing of this one. For that I will add little bit seasonings and sear it in a heavy heated pan. Now we will add little bit salt, pepper and nutmeg powder, marinate it and we will do the sealing of that. For that I have a heated pan. We'll just sear it. Now we will turn it. So what will happen? This side will get crispy. Click. Pour the sauce in the middle. Arrange the vegetables. You see the quality of the beef, the color is just perfect. See the quality of the beef always gives slow cooking the best result. It's ready. Now we will pour a little bit sauce on. It's a perfect beef short ribs. Sou vide.